Hi guys, May is here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video guys, I am going to show you the things that I got from my husband on Valentine's Day. And guys, he got me a GoPro 8 HER0 Black. And I've been wanting for this for a while for my vlog. But I wasn't expecting that he will give this to me on Valentine's Day. So, but yeah, I have it now, finally. So, guys, I'm going to unbox this to see what's inside. But, oh, before I forgot, I'm just gonna say thank you so much for my husband, and I appreciate him a lot. Everything he do to me, it's awesome. So, thank you, baby. But you guys, before I unbox this little thing, I am going to show you guys a little quick video of my outfit on Valentine's Day. So, here we go, guys! So, hi guys. Ayan na siya. Ito na yung fila shoes sa paa ko. Obviously. At saka yung dress niya. Yeah. Ito lang siya guys, hindi ko naisuot yung lingerie, no? So, yan na siya guys. Suot ko na siya. Pero, comment down below guys kung anong masasabi nyo. Maganda ba siya? Pangit? Be honest lang guys. Yeah. So, meron lang yung ginagamit ko guys kasi yun ang gusto ko eh. So, guys, let's get started. So, here's the thing I got. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I got HER0 8 Black GoPro. So, as far as I know guys, GoPro, waterproof siya. Tas ang sabi, 12 MP and 4K 60. And, pwede siyang gamitin mo underwater for within 33 feet or 10 meter. Yun yung sabi dito sa box, guys. So, guys, let's see what's inside. And I'm super, super excited, guys, to see what it looks like. Because I never had this one before. So, yeah. Let me try to open this little thing here. I don't even know how to open this, but I'll try my best, guys. Oh, it's hard. Just hold on a second, guys. I'm working on it. Okay. Oop. Alright. Basta ma-open na siya guys. Okay na yan. Ang init. So, ito na siya guys. GoPro. May siya, may sabi dito, GoPro. Ewan ko ba guys, makita niyo ba? Medyo madilim na kasi. So, open natin guys. Open. Woo! Look what's inside. I like the box or the, a little bag. Kasi my sariling compartment, everything. Like this one has this compartment. Meron siyang manual, plus GoPro Plus, and unlimited cloud storage, and shit like that. And yeah, some paperwork's inside, so I don't really care about that. So, at saka may na siya guys, my memory card at saka micro SD card, something like that. So, yan sa guys. And I don't know what it is, but I don't know what is this, guys, but para siyang foam. Ewan ko. Let's figure it out later. Oh, wow, I got 2 battery, guys. This is cool. Look, may dalawang battery inside. Tingnan nyo, guys. So, pag nag-film ka, tas nalolobat yung isa, yun, i-replace mo to at saka charge mo pag uwi mo, diba? So, it's awesome. I like it. And ito, charging cable. Nangyari sa hair ko eh. Ewan ko, anong tawag nito? Para siyang, dito mo siya ilagay. Ewan ko guys, wala akong alam dito, okay? So, ina-unbox ko lang siya para mapaglaruan ko siya mamaya. Yun lang yung purpose ko guys. Pero wala talaga akong alam sa mga GoPro na yan. At saka ito din, parang, ewan ko talaga guys. Let's figure it out. So, ito, yung mga parts niya. And may compartment dito para tong stick niya. Ooh. Oh, I like it. May sarili siyang parang yung mag-film ka sa like for example, mag-film ka sa underwater like ocean. So, para siyang tripod pero hindi talaga siya tripod. Parang yung handle lang siya. At saka super lightweight siya guys. Like parang wala lang. So, yeah. Maybe itong dalawang to, ilagay siya dito. Yeah. Tapos yan. Tapos camera, yun ko. So, yan. So, guys, last but not least, this is what's inside this little bag. The little thing that I've been dreaming of for a while. This is the camera, guys. It says GoPro. Of course, it is GoPro, guys. Tingnan nyo. Napakaliit niya, guys. Pero this camera is so amazing. I've been watching review on YouTube about it. Like, it's really amazing. You can use it for vlogging. You can use it for biking. Lagay mo lang siya sa sa helmet mo. At saka underwater, guys. Pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas, I'm sure pupunta kami sa beach. Kasi nga walang beach dito sa amin sa Amerika. So, I miss my hometown talaga, guys. So, yeah. Maraming magagamit mo siya for everything. Kahit maliit siya, guys, pero maganda siya, I swear. So, yeah, napaka-cute niya, oh. Ito yung niya, tripod maybe. So, lagay mo siya dito. Ewan ko, let's figure it out. Yeah. Malaki naman yung camera niya sa likod, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kita nyo ba, guys? Ito yung niya, camera. Tsaka ito yung screen niya. Tingnan nyo, guys. Nandyan na ako. Diba, kasyang-kasya ako. Baliw talaga ako, guys. So, kasyang-kasya ako sa camera. So, no need to worry about maliit. Kasi maliit din naman ako eh. So, guys, ang ganda talaga niya. Like, super ganda niya. Like, maganda talaga siya. So, guys, I just wanna thank you to my husband again. I know, I'm sorry, baby. He wants to be with me while I'm unboxing this. But right now, he's working. And yeah, he's working. And then when he comes home, we'll just eat and relax because we both need to go to work tomorrow. And I've been working so much this week. I've been working 72 hours a week, guys. Like, super tired talaga. Yeah, yun yung problema eh. Kasi, ang dami kong hours na trabaho for a week. Pero guys, wala din, anong tawag dyan? Wala din namang laman yung ko. Debit card ko. Ubos, guys. Sahod ko Friday, Saturday, wala na. Ito talaga yung buhay sa Amerika. Hindi lahat ng nasa Amerika mayaman. We work hard to and earn money and spend money and pay bills. And yeah, guys, that's our life here. It's better than the Philippines kasi kahit maliit lang yung sweldo mo, nandyan yung pamilya mo, nandyan yung pamilya mo sa tabi mo, At saka, you can have fun. It's more fun in the Philippines, guys. Agree, right? So, namimiss ko talaga yung nangyari dito sa damit ko. Namimiss ko talaga ang Philippines, guys. So, I'm just telling my story. So, you guys, that's it. So, yan siya. And I like this bag. I'll keep this kasi meant for this talaga. Itong bag na to, para talaga siya sa mga accessories niya. So you guys, before I end this vlog, my previous video, someone commented there that he wants me to shout out his name or to shout him out on my next one. So this is my next one, guys. So let's shout him out. So yeah, so shout out to Jao Redobli, and thank you so much for watching my vlogs, and I appreciate your comment there, and please, I hope you will stay watching and everything. So guys, whoever wants to shout out, just make a comment there and I'll do my best not to forget to shout you out, guys, on my next one. So guys, I think this is the end of this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy. And please guys, please like and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit the bell button so guys you will notify on my next video. So thank you so much, guys. Bye. See ya. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button. See you in my next one. Bye bye. Mwah.